Good morning, all. I hope all of you are keeping good health and staying safe at home due to COVID-19. Today, Vivek Kumar, lecturer IHM Dehradun, will be conducting a session of hotel engineering on the topic maintenance. Before I start, let us clear that there is a vast difference between engineering and maintenance. A basic idea regarding engineering is a combination of civil, mechanical, electrical, and electronics department. Now, let us take an example of civil engineering. As you all know, civil engineering basically deals with designing of structure, designing of mall, hotels, etc. And here, maintenance is an upkeep of an equipment or a place where we are working to provide quality service to the customer. Now, let us start with the objectives of the session. Now, we will start with the topic that is maintenance. The objective of the session is you will be able to understand what is maintenance, the role of maintenance, difference between preventive and breakdown maintenance, and the importance of maintenance department in the hotel industry. Now, a brief idea regarding maintenance. As we all know, today everyone wants to be fast and furious, and machines are making it for everyone. Today, high technology machines and gadgets are also a great part of hotel. Without high technology machines, it is impossible to run a hotel in today's world, and each and every part of a hotel requires these machines. And of course, maintenance is also a part of these machines. Maintenance is to keep something in existing state or to preserve something from failure or decline. There are two types of maintenance. First is preventive maintenance and the other is breakdown maintenance. So let us discuss preventive maintenance. So as we all know, preventive means to prevent something from a great failure. So preventive maintenance in relation to hotel industry is to carry out to prevent sudden failure of equipment and machine which can affect our working. Preventive maintenance, as the name implies, is the intent to perform timely inspections, minor adjustments, and lubrications based on manufacturer's recommendations with the ultimate goal of preventing unscheduled breakdowns and prolonging the life and efficiency of the equipment. Preventive maintenance also includes inspections, assembling, disassembling of machines, cleaning of machines, repair of machine, oiling, and assembling of components. Preventive maintenance also includes certain points which are as follows. Preventive maintenance is done on regular as well as periodic basis so that the working cannot get affected. Preventive maintenance reduces expenditure on repairs. Preventive maintenance also increases productivity through planned overhauls. Preventive maintenance is also a corrective measure. And the last but not the least, prevention is better than cure. Now the next is breakdown maintenance. As the name implies, breakdown can be positive and negative both. If it is negative, it has an impact on the comfort and the safety of the guest, or is detrimental to the smooth flow of production that keeps other departments operational. On the other hand, breakdown can be very expensive if it happens after hours, and also outside contractors are required. Breakdown maintenance is to repair, replace the sudden failed equipment. There are certain locations, certain activities under breakdown maintenance, which includes the location of a fault. It is also to prepare the distance between the fault, where it happens, cleaning of the component, to inspect wear and cracks, and assembling of an equipment. Breakdown maintenance is a heavy level of operation. Breakdown maintenance may be minor, major, complete stoppage of an equipment, or do not cause work stoppage, repairable or irreparable ones. Breakdown maintenance is done on emergency basis. It should be done on emergency basis as it may affect our working condition. Breakdown maintenance can ensure high cost depending on the fault. And the last, breakdown of an equipment or system may not happen if the preventive maintenance is performed on regular basis. I hope till now you people have got an idea regarding what is maintenance, the difference between engineering and maintenance, the role of maintenance, and the difference between preventive and breakdown maintenance, and why these maintenances are to be done. Now the next is role and importance of maintenance department in a hotel. As we have discussed earlier, maintenance is to maintain something, to keep in an existing state, or to preserve from failure or decline. Maintenance department works almost behind the scenes, but it fulfills a tremendously important functions. The departmental personnel and the equipment under their control provides the atmosphere and comfort demanded by the guest. The maintenance department either directly or indirectly affects the operation of the other departments of the hotel. As in hotel we have got 4 core departments: First, front office, then F&B service department, then food production, kitchen department, and the housekeeping department. They all depend on the efficient, updated physical plant. Now, this is the first point. What is physical plant? Physical plant is basically a place, or in complete it is a whole building where all the employees are working to give efficient and effective service or a quality service to a person, to a guest coming to the hotel. Physical plant refers to the ground, building structure, building system, interior finishes. It may in terms of paint, wall paints, textures, wall painting, carpet, floor, interior design, etc. And fixtures, furnitures, and equipments which are installed in hotels. Now, some of the systems found in modern hotels are as follows, which which provides the quality service to the guest. The very first one is HVAC, that is heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Next is water. There is always 24-hour hot and cold supply of water in a hotel. Then sewer, then lighting, different varieties of lightings are installed in hotels. The ambience actually occurs with different types of lighting. Telephone, refrigeration, television, fire protection is an important part, plays an important role in maintenance department. Then swimming pool, elevators and escalators, sensors and computers, etc. Next is duties and responsibilities of maintenance department. Yes, maintenance department in itself is a huge department which always covers all the equipments, all the functions which are to be carried out is by maintenance department. Maintenance is carried out by the engineering department of hotel, which is hotel engineering. Now the first is building and system operation. The hotel building and systems installed in these buildings requires basic maintenance, repair or replacement of failed parts, attention to factors which are occurred by unavoidable major renovations. For example, air conditioning system in hotel gives comfort to guests and it is almost invisible to guests. Failure of AC system will lead to unwanted attention and will create managerial nightmares. That is why it has been said maintenance department most of the time or almost works behind the scenes. Now second is building maintenance. There are large number of maintenance activity to preserve building of hotel in appearance and functions. For example, deterioration of building surface due to surrounding environment or maintenance of roofing is an important concern. This is all under hotel building. Now the next is maintenance of guest room furnishing and fixtures. As we have earlier discussed in first point of this topic only, there are several points which are deals with the comfort and safety of a guest. The guest room furnishing and the fixture of a hotel are very visible feature which contribute to the overall experience of the establishment, and of course it either be positive and negative, but we always try to give positive effects. In guest room there is TV set, HVAC unit, various electrical lights, ventilations, fans and small items. This is basically in a room. Now we have got a public areas in hotel industry. Public spaces also have HVAC units, fans, pumps, lightings. Now, as we have already discussed, there is always a swimming pool in a hotel also. So, in relation to swimming pool, it should have a proper water treatment system. Kitchen and laundry are also full of equipments. So, this is also a department where maintenance role is important. And the repair and maintenance of all the equipment is always an responsibility of engineering department. Now the next is equipment maintenance. As we have discussed just now, repair and maintenance of all the equipments is the basic responsibility of engineering department. Next, we have budgeting and cost control. Yes, this is also an important topic. For any organization, budget, maintaining budget, budgetary control is an important point. With approximately 11% of total property budget being the responsibility of the engineering department, is the need for accurate budgeting and cost control should be apparent. Next is security and safety maintenance. This is in relation with the both the employees and the guests coming to the hotel. Security involves the physical area of the property, the employees and the guests, and safety involves the potential for personal injury to both employees and guests. Some specific safety and security concern which exist within engineering area includes key control, lock rotation, maintenance control of tools and supplies, emergency response to fire, and safety operations of equipments and tools, so that neither employee nor guest coming to the hotel gets suffer. Now the next is contractual and regulatory compliance. Now this, if we are running a hotel, contractual and regulatory compliance plays an important role for any establishment. It refers to requirements imposed upon the property of hotel which are of legal nature by central, state or local government. For example, it has elevator inspection and certification, fire code compliance, building code compliance, health or sanitary code compliance, environmental protection compliance, health act compliance, etc. The next is renovation, addition and restoration. Now this basically means to redecorate or to renovate because of wear and tear caused by use, because of changing needs to space, or in order to support a new concept is a common feature for all hotels. The need to perform restoration will result in removal of hotel from service or operation for some time, for restoration of service or operation for period, a building not originally built as a hotel and is modified for the purpose. Now, for all the activities of renovation, addition and restoration maintenance, this department is completely or partially responsible depending on their involvement. Next is special projects. Special projects may include new technologies, the need of guests for special service. The engineering department is called upon to perform many special projects. For example, computerized office equipment, HVAC service, special coverings, modification of workspace or floor area to be renovated, etc. The last point under role of maintenance department in hotel, and the important point is training. The primary focus of the training is to inform maintenance department employees the standard and specific requirements of a hotel. The training may be grouped in categories of general training, departmental training and job specific training. So till now we have discussed what is maintenance, difference between preventive maintenance and breakdown maintenance, and the role of maintenance department. Now I hope it is clear that the maintenance of engineering and other facilities is one of the most critical activities in hotel. It is both very complex and elaborate in the present era of highly developed technology with its newer areas of application in hotel industry.